That would be nice to get it cheap and sell for more after winter. Man, that's highly unlikely that this is going to happen. It's happening again! Welcome guys to another vlog. We are in... well, I could have made it like a challenge, but fuck that shit, it's gonna be in the title. We are in Pilsen, and what do we have here? Oh, that's nice. Krapovic. The sound of these bikes is, oh man, amazing. Fucking love it. What I wanted to talk about is I started with my research around possible dirt bike that I'm gonna get for the winter. Well, I'm gonna get it before winter comes, and I have a few candidates, few bikes I kinda like and I think are the best of the bunch you can basically get. So it's either KTM, Husqvarna or Husaberg. One of these three, considering the manufacturer. And the rest of it, I'm not decided yet. If I want wow, that was slippery as hell. If I want a 2-stroke or 4-stroke engine, but I guess 2-stroke would be kinda nice. I know these engines. I'm not sure about 300s, but there's not gonna be a big difference, and I guess maintenance is not gonna be a problem, at least not for me, because I really know these bikes. The question is if it's not overkill for just ripping it in the woods and something like that in the winter. I guess I could be pretty fine with smaller bike than 300, right? I'm gonna have to think about this. But on the other hand, this 300 might be my project bike, which I can rebuild to sumo if I wanted to. That would be nice, and with 300cc engine it will have some fucking power. So yeah, that's kinda the idea. I mean, I would love to do some rebuild to sumo because it's amazing. I love supermotos. So I'm gonna have to think about this. I'm gonna have to allocate some resources for this kind of project as well, and for the gear, because I have something. I have a helmet, gloves, goggles, but that's about it. Everything else I don't have, so it's gonna be a little pricey, I guess. But I always wanted a solid dirt bike before, so I don't get one now. It's not maybe a perfect time right now. It's like 2 months away anyways. I don't know when the season ends. November, October, something like that. when the season ends, I'm gonna get a dirt bike, I guess. I'm not sure which one, at least not now. Probably some 300s, because seems a better choice for me, really. But we'll see. We'll see about the pricing, because I want to get it cheap. That would be nice to get it cheap and sell for more after winter. Man, that's highly unlikely that this is going to happen, but yeah, I can hope for it. Hope didn't kill anyone, right? So wish me some luck, and it's gonna be really exciting new project for the channel, and for me as well, because you know, you gotta keep it fresh and new and clean, or different at least, otherwise it's gonna get somehow boring. So that's my plan, and that's what you're going to see in the future. And with all that said, I know the beginning was kinda clumsy, but I wanted you to see the bikes, so I just sent it and hoped for the best. So yeah, take care, ride safe, hit some parties, and see you next time. Peace.